Hi guys, so I was sitting around trying to figure out what to make for supper, and I decided that my viewers needed to watch this. Here's what you need. You need a fourth of a cup of cornstarch, a fourth of a cup of butter, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 cups of chicken broth, box of whatever kind of noodles you'd like, a bag of shredded Colby Jack cheese, and a bag of sharp cheddar cheese. Melt the butter on your skillet. Once the butter is melted, you're going to sprinkle the cornstarch on it. Then you want to make sure that you constantly stir it until it's all incorporated, about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's all incorporated, you are going to add the chicken broth, and you are going to constantly stir that for another 3 to 4 minutes. Once you have that all stirred up and all heated up, you're going to put that into a separate bowl and add heavy whipping cream. Then you're going to mix both bags of cheese into the mixture as well. You're going to want to set that aside and let it cool and cook your pasta. When you cook your pasta, you only want it to be partially cooked. Then you're going to want to cool down your noodles in cold water and add your cheese mixture once you have it rinsed. Then you want to get it all mixed in until it's all well incorporated. Then you're going to put it into a baking pan and bake it at 375 for 55 minutes. When it's done, you're going to want it to sit and cool for 10 minutes and it'll be ready to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!